In this session, we'll talk about how we add extensions. Now, what are extensions? We have seen that the blocks, the motion, looks, sound, pen, sensing, events, these category blocks are not available in MBlock when we are using it in Arduino mode. The blocks which are available to us are in categories control, operators, data blocks, and robots. The robots blocks are our primary blocks. So we have Arduino blocks which are available when we install the MBlock. These Arduino blocks are not very easy to use for a person who is new to using MBlocks or new to Arduino programming. So what Curious Mind has done is Curious Mind has created their own blocks which work very well with the CurioFire robotic kit and also very intuitive in their usage. But when we install MBlock, those blocks are not available. So what we need to do is we need to import them. We need to get them from outside. The first step for that is to copy those extension file into your computer, and I have already done that. From our computer, how do we bring them inside MBlock? For that, we'll click on extensions and manage extensions. Here we see extensions which are already installed. We can't see any Curious Mind extension here. So what we are going to do is click on add extension. And here we have to search for our extension. I have saved them in this MBlock folder, but I can't see them here. The reason is the file type which we are using is JSON, while the extensions are in .zip. So I need to change the file type from JSON to .zip. And I see my extension here, Curious Mind version 2.zip. Select it and I say open. Those blocks are now added into, we can see here they have come in our MBlock. Now I'll close this and I can see my Curious Mind blocks when I scroll down. I don't want to scroll down every time I want to use them because I know I'm not going to use the Arduino blocks so often. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hide them. So I simple click on Arduino and then I will hide extension. So now my Curious Mind blocks are available up here and I can start using them. Now if I want to see which blocks are present in my MBlock, I can go to extensions and see the list of extensions which are available to me. Now I can select or deselect one of these extensions so that they can disappear from this place here. So if I click on Arduino, I deselect it, the Arduino blocks will disappear from here, but they are still in the MBlock. When I want, I can go and I can select it back so that they appear. I can also remove the blocks if I don't want. I click on extensions, manage extensions, and I see all the installed extensions here. Out of them, these extensions, they cannot be removed, but these are extensions which are external extensions. I can remove any of these extensions. So if I just click on remove, the extension will be removed. Let's see. I click on remove for Curious Mind. It asks me question whether I really want to delete it. If I say OK, the extension would be deleted or removed from the MBlock.